to, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm spinning yarn. Maybe, I don't know. I'm starting to spin up the fiber I purchased from Juanita. So what I decided to do with this is I'm gonna stay true to the dye that she did, and I'm just gonna spin it as it appears and as the yarn goes into the gradient that she did. And I'm learning a new technique. It's called Ply-on-the-Fly. So you're basically plying as you spin the single. So you get a 3-ply doing, it's like a Navajo technique of flying. I'll link the tutorial of how to do it in the descriptions so you guys could check it out, because I never knew this existed. So that's what I'm gonna do with this while I spin it, so that way I don't have to ply later, because I'll be plying on the fly. Wow. All right, and then I'm gonna make my gloves later with blue yarns that I matched up with my crochet hook, so stay tuned. I'm doing a lot today because I get bored easily. So I made a single ply, and I'm gonna test out this plying method. I think it's long enough now. What the heck? Try and ply. Try and ply. Why? I'm gonna go there and die. No, I'm just kidding. Rhymes! Okay, I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna flip the camera over. If you guys know what butterflying is, please tell me. Okay. And she like did this number. So she made a loop. So she went and did like this. So she can make a loop. Right? So basically you want to get your loop to be long, but to show it on camera, because the camera's, oh gosh. Right. So this is my this is my struggling. So this is the loop. So you just basically take the single and you pull it through, and then you pull a long loop again because you're making loops. She says she doesn't ply until she's got it all off her hands. So what I'm just doing is making loops. And then this is long enough for me. So now I have a, where's the camera? 3-ply. And I'm gonna spin. I go clockwise when I spin, so I'm gonna counterclockwise ply. Keep my hand here to maintain this loop open. Oh my gosh, it works. I just plied on my spindle. I'll go front facing so you can see it. How cool is that? So I guess I would say, like, check out that channel and see what you can learn from her. I'll link it in the description. Hey guys, so this is today's glove. I did not finish the second pair or the second glove. Today was a busy day. So this is my day 15. Does my crochet hook match my glove? It kind of does. That's such an accident. I didn't even look at the crochet hook all day. That is so funny. It's even got the shine that acrylic gives you in the night. Dude, even the blue is kind of like the same blue, and it's like the same black. This is weird. I didn't plan on this really. I will show you the gloves I made with the color palette I had, and I didn't like them at all, so I frogged it. So I made another pair of gloves today, but I didn't use them because I didn't like how they looked. I'm gonna go get them and show them to you. I'll be right back. This is the other glove I started making today, inspired by this, but so yeah, this kind of works too. It has the silver, the blue, the teal, the black. So, but which one comes closer? I think these win. but it doesn't have silver, so I don't know. But yeah, I used it to make this today. So that's what I was using this hook, 3.5. Bye, see you in the next one tomorrow.